you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found, and don't forget to subscribe.
This is the MP600, proven on the battlefield. It's the core member of the one-handed opening series of Gerber multi-tools relied on by the US military. Built of hardy stainless steel, the MP600 opens smoothly with one hand, and its long pliers function precisely to grab and manipulate small objects in equally small spaces. It has a wired cutter and crimper, as well as built-in rulers that run along the handles. Flip open the handles to access the serrated blade, fine edge blade, Phillips driver, 3 separate sizes of flatheads, full-size file, lanyard ring, and can and bottle opener. Each of the components locks safely in place for heavy use. As with all of our military products, it's proudly built in Portland, Oregon. A true American icon. This is the MP600.
Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits, a full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support, plus spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The Multitool just got a reality check.
For more than 30 years, the Leatherman Multitool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.